Hi everyone, Shirley and welcome to my channel. Today I'm partnering with Momo's Workshop to share all of their makeup puffs with you. They have a variety of different makeup puffs in really cute designs that are still functional. Using the right tools for the right makeup products makes such a huge difference in how your makeup turns out. Your base is like the foundation of your makeup look. So you want everything to be smooth, seamless, ready for other products to be put on top of it. Let me walk you through Momo's Workshop's website and Instagram page. Momo's Workshop is Asia's top-selling beauty brand specializing in makeup tools. They have a variety of different makeup puffs made of different materials for different purposes. I love that they combine cuteness with functionality. They have collections inspired by flowers, animals, food, and more. The puffs from Momo's Workshop are made with premium materials such as ruby cell, gigo, and MBR for a soft, comfortable application feel. They are latex-free and easy to blend, even for beginners. The puffs are designed to create a smooth, natural-looking base without needing professional-level technique. The puffs are thick, bouncy, and thoughtfully shaped so everyone can find a favorite tool for their routine. They have many sets and bundles to choose from so you can try a variety of different puffs. They also have makeup for the lips and face, which I'm really excited to try in the future. I love the packaging and the fact that I can use their puffs with their makeup products. If you would like to try any of the puffs from Momo's Workshop, you can use my code Shirley15 for 15% off your purchase. So it really helps to have the right makeup tools because one tool may work with liquid products but won't work with powder products. So knowing what makeup tools to use for different products is the game changer. I have a bunch of makeup puffs to show you all. There's so many different designs and collections to choose from. So if you're interested to see all of the cute makeup puffs from Momo's Workshop, then just keep on watching. So let's unbox the first puff. I love that each one has its own individual case. Just keeps it hygienic and super easy to carry around. It's so cute! These are the Sunnyside puffs from the Bento Buddies collection. This puff is best used dry for liquid foundation or cream foundation. There's a curved oval design to fit the natural curves of your face. There's a soft medium bounce for blending. It offers even powder pickup and release and offers a streak-free application. So soft and cushiony. Feels really comfortable to hold as well. It comes with 2 puffs, so you never run out. That's so cute! Let's open up the next puff. This is a smaller size than the egg puffs, just for comparison. So this one, super cute. It's a little croissant. This is the croissant puff, also from the Bento Buddies collection. This puff is used dry and it's best for setting powders, loose powders, and pressed powders. This is a velour puff, which is why it's so soft and plush. Look how cute that is. Super soft. Oh my gosh, it's like a plushie. This is where the band is, where the eyes are. Oh my god, that's so cute. This puff has dual pointed tips that fits perfectly underneath the eyes and around the nose and mouth. This puff has short pile fibers for a smooth finish. Next, let's open up this little puff. So these are one of the mini puffs and just look how tiny that is in my hand. For comparison, this is the croissant. And it also comes with a keychain that you can attach to your makeup bag, like so. This is the Bubbly Mini from the Cuddle Critters collection. It's a cute little seal. This puff is best used dry for liquid or cream highlighters, blushes, concealers, and contour. It's super thick, as you can see. Very bouncy. This feels really nice and high quality. This puff has high density pores for a smooth, streak-free finish. It's also supposed to really help with picking up product and releasing product. Moving on to the next puff. So cute, a little black cat. This is the Moony Go puff from the Cuddle Critters collection. These are best used dry for loose powders, setting powders, and pressed powders. This is also a velour puff. Super soft and plush. And this also comes with 2. This puff has cotton in it, lush fibers, dense and velvety. It's made for high pigmented products and loose powders. So those were the puffs that I chose out. They also did send over some extras, which I will unbox right now. Ooh, love this triangular packaging. This is the Choco Wedge Pow Pow Me Duo from the Rosy Reverie collection. These are best used wet for liquid or cream highlighters, blushes, longwear foundation, concealer, and contour. So satisfying. It just like stacks so neatly in there. And here is the puff. Very thick, cushiony. Comes in a white and a brown. There's a pretty floral design on them. Really like the shape of this. You can really get like in this area. So when you wet this puff, it expands in size. It's more soft and round, and there's a naturally uplifted tip, which makes picking up powder easier. It helps to blend the product into your skin and have a streak-free application. Also from the Rose Reverie collection is this puff. Oh, it comes with 3 in here. This is the All Weather Petals Trio from the Rosy Reverie collection. They're best for hydrating foundations, long wear foundations. There's a pink, a white, and a brown puff in here. Also very cushiony. These have like a leather feel on top, feels really nice. High quality. These puffs can be used dry or wet, and when you soak these in water, it'll expand in size and become even more soft, round, and ultra smooth for streak-free application. There's a naturally uplifted tip, which is more ergonomic and really helps you get into those corners that are harder to reach. Let's open up the next puff. Oh, a big puff. This is the Coca Cut Duo from the Rosy Reverie collection. Use this dry and it's best for hydrating foundations. It feels so soft and velvety to touch. It's just so pretty. I love the design. Also comes with 2. So this puff is dual-sided, so you're able to use both sides, and both sides have that soft, bouncy feel. This puff has a blunt top, which offers a more gentle angle and helps to blend products seamlessly into your skin without any harsh lines. I also got the Rosy Reverie set, which I'm super excited about. Packaging is so pretty. So let's see what's inside. So it comes with a makeup pouch. Fuzzy and pink. Here are all of the puffs that it comes with. There are these little minis in here, all with floral designs. Another mini. These puffs all come in different materials. So this one is a more standard puff. This one is like one of the velour puffs. It's fuzzier. There's a bigger size of the pink velour puff. These are actually very similar. We also have these 2 puffs. They come in their respective cases. Also comes with a keychain to hook onto your makeup bag. And this shape is very unique because it has like this angle right here. So you can use this side on the larger surfaces of your face. And this one is like if you need more precision with some areas. So very soft, plush. Also comes with 2 of these heart puffs. These are so cute. Comes with a keychain. The hearts do have a little bow on them, and you do put your fingers underneath the bow to hold the puff like this. These are super dense, spongy. I want to show you guys the comparison of the puffs. So this one is very smooth puff, and this one you can see the pores. So different materials and styles depending on what you're using them for. Also comes with 2 of these huge puffs. This one, so this is how dense it is. Very bouncy. Also comes with 2. These also have like a velvety texture to them on top. The backs have different colors too. Open up this one. It's so pretty. I love the designs on them. These ones have a flat top again. Very similar floral designs, and the puff cushion. I do feel that these are slightly thicker. And last but not least, it comes with a brush. So this is an angled face brush. This would be great for applying concealer or foundation. That was it for the unboxing. That was a lot of products. Let's get into the actual application on my face. I'm just wearing eye makeup and nothing on my skin except for my skincare. So let's put these puffs to the test. So I'm actually going to use this brush to apply foundation. Evenly apply foundation on my face like this. Just a very thin layer, and I can build it up if I need to. I really like how flat and dense this brush is. I'm gonna go in with the Sunny Side Puff, the super dense one. I'm gonna pick up whatever's excess on the back of my hand and start blending foundation into my skin. You see that? It's like flawless. It's super bouncy and soft on the skin. These big puffs are good for like large surface areas like your forehead, on your cheeks, and for any areas that are harder to reach. I'm gonna use this little mini puff. Get right under there. I also like that this area is like flat, so I can just get really close to the under eye. So I'm gonna apply concealer underneath the eyes, also around my smile lines, around my nose, So this is how it looks so far. Blended everything super well. Even got around my nostrils, which is a little harder to get. I also wanted to see if I could apply this cream blush on my cheeks with this puff. I feel like this is a very multi-use puff. I'm just gonna pick it up like straight onto the puff itself. Dab a little. Ooh, that's a very natural, like blended out color. Usually I use my fingers because I didn't really have a product for these kind of cream products, but this just makes it like super easy. It just gives me like a very natural flushed glow. Is that not just so pretty? I just added more color back into my skin. I also wanted to test this velour puff with a pressed powder blush. So I'm just gonna dip it. So I'm gonna pack it on straight onto the tip. Hope you can see the color there. And apply it right on. That's so pretty. Do you see the difference? Wow, that went on more pigmented than I thought. I usually use my fingers with these kind of blushes too, and I feel like this application looks much better. It's more like even, smoother. And then I'm gonna save the other tip for setting powder. But first I'm gonna set all over the face with a bigger puff, another plush velour puff. Here I have my loose setting powder. I'm gonna dip it straight in. You can really see the product on a black puff. And I'm gonna apply it to one side of my face first. This is just a translucent powder. Already you can tell that this side is much more matte. It's more poreless than this side. There's something about this velour puff that really like seamlessly blends the powder into your skin. I also wanted to go in with the croissant puff to go under my eyes. That's where I get a lot of creasing. So I have a little bit of powder here. Some powder. This is the finished look, a whole face of makeup done using puffs from Momo's workshop. If you'd like to try any of these makeup puffs for yourself, you can use my code Shirley15 for 15% off your purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which puff was your favorite or which puff you would like to try. Thanks again Momo's workshop for partnering with me in this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!